Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. Let's trace and paint them together.
The farmer in the dell, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell.
A.
The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer
B.
takes the wife.
C.
The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child, hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes
D.
the child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse, hi-ho the
E.
dairy-o, the child takes the nurse.
F.
The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow, hi-ho the
G.
dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow takes the dog, the cow
H.
takes the dog, hi-ho the dairy-o, the cow
I.
takes the dog.
J.
The dog takes the cat, the dog takes the cat,
K.
hi-ho the dairy-o, the
L.
dog takes the cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse, hi-ho the dairy-o, the
M.
cat takes the mouse.
N.
The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse takes the cheese, hi-ho the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese stands alone, the cheese stands alone, hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone, hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
Q. R. S.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin
T.
Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on
U.
Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin
V.
Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury
W.
Lane.
X.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the
Y.
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who
C.
lives on Drury
Blue color,
Lane?
green color, pink color, purple color, brown color.
Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
A for apple. B for ball. C for cat.
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man.
D for doll.
Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
E for egg. F for frog. G for glass. H for hat. I for igloo. J for jam. K for kite. L for lamb. M for man. N for net. O for onion. P for pen. Q for queen. R for ring. S for star. T for train. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. C for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Please like and subscribe to my channel.